drink it.
Okay.
And then if she drinks it,
It's so bright.
hey, Lexi.
She can be up there, honey. Don't push her.
Lexi. You have your own cup.
Don't push it on her, honey. You're going to make her fall. Thank you.
Actually, I'm good.
Daddy's trying to mow the grass. Hold the lawn. How's it working there?
What?
Not so good, huh?
No.
Lexi, can you walk? Let's walk some. You want to come swing? I'll push you. Come walk. Come here, Lex.
Lexi's done